This is the first job link that we have, which is in the company Career Specialism. So they're looking for cybersecurity analyst. So they have actually not specified exactly what are the roles, what are the age, what are the experience they are looking for. So if you want to apply for the security analyst, if you have very less experience but you know how to work, just drop a resume on this mail ID careersspecialism@gmail.com. Accordingly, they are going to revert you. Now next is again we are going to say this once again. So Telangana police is looking for someone who are good into cybercrime investigation. It's very good opportunity if you want to work with the Indian government. Okay, it's especially Telangana government. Okay, so you should must have a laptop, and this is a kind of NGO job. So there's a lot of opportunity once you get connected with the law enforcement agency. That will be very plus point for you. You can apply via this URL. Okay. Now the next is basically SOC L1 L2 monitoring. So someone is looking for S1 SOC L1 and SOC L2 job role. Okay, so it's like if you are Mumbai, then it's preferable for you. But let's talk with the person. Budget will be market rate, whatever you are getting in the market, they are going to provide you. For L2, they want 2 to 5 years of experience. Okay, and for L1, they want exactly 1 to 3 years of experience, right, in SOC, which means you should have good knowledge about. So, what do you want? Should I start SOC series? How to do SOC things and how to configure all this? Just let me know. Accordingly, we're gonna start the SOC series on this YouTube channel. And by the way, what series should I start? Just let me know as well. So, by the way, these are tools which you should have to be familiar with. SIM, QRadar, Splunk, okay, and installation configuration of SIM tool is important. What is SOC? Okay, all those things is very much important. How to do all this, how to configure everything. Okay, and if you're familiar with ISO processes, it's a plus point. Okay, by the way, it's a 24/7 monitoring system. Like SOC is all about 24/7. So there might be some rotational shifts. Sometimes you need to work in the day, sometimes you need to work in the night. So guys, you need to create a lot of SOPs. Okay, and incident response, you need to work as an incident response as well. It's a 24/7 shift. Okay, so which means like कभी बुला सकते हैं भाई कभी जगा सकते हैं. So do accordingly and provide market. It will going to provide you a good budget because right now there's a lot of companies who is looking at SOC. SOC में काफी अच्छा companies paying, right? And if you want to apply, then Ajitha at the revealedtechnologies.com where you can apply for. Now next is cybersecurity analyst in our highly skilled associate team. So the company name is Custodian 360, right? This is the company name. So guys, they can offer you approx 35K. What exactly this means? Pound. Okay, I guess it's a pound. So it's like 35. They're going to pay you approx 35 lakh. Okay, it will be your salary that they are going to provide you. Okay, nearby. Okay, and it's a office based work. Okay, which is most probably in US UK. Okay, and like there's a lot of things they are going forward. Again, SOC work is there. So guys, always try to be prepared for the SOC because there's a lot of companies looking for SOC. You should have knowledge about ADR and XDR tools. Okay, like Sentinel one, who is the one of the most famous. You can look for it. Okay, UK based applications only. गाइस यूके में है कोई भाई देख लो है तो यू कैन डू बाकी खालिस्तानी लोग हैं वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे डू अकॉर्डिंगली एंड बाय द वे लाइक यू कैन अप्लाई at the end skill matters so they might select you but anyways this is mail id info@custodian360.com भाई अगर सेलेक्ट होना किसी कंपनी में बग निकालो रिपोर्ट कर दो एंड देन सेंड अ प्रपोजल लाइक आई वांट टू गेट सिलेक्टेड दीस आर थिंग्स वी हैव फाइंड आउट नहीं सिलेक्ट करे फिर से बग निकालो फिर से रिपोर्ट करो सो दे आर गोइंग टू hire you as a this is the shortcut way for getting hired in the company as a cyber security person, right? So ठीक है मतलब ऐसा कर सकते हो अच्छी बात है but do accordingly. So that's all for today guys. If you have any question please ask in the chat box. Accordingly we can